Sleep is crucial for survival, but we know little about why we sleep or how it works. This video explores the mysteries of sleep and the effects of deprivation on our bodies and mind. Humans need 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Excessive or less sleep leads to medical problems. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to cardiovascular disease, obesity, depression, and brain damage. After one night of no sleep, dopamine triggers energy, positivity, and sex drive. But as the brain shuts off decision-making regions, impulsivity and exhaustion sets in. After 2 days, glucose metabolism and immune system suffer, and hallucination can occur after 3 days. Lack of sleep makes people appear less healthy and attractive. The longest recorded period without sleep was 11 days, causing concentration and perception problems. Sleep deprivation experiments on rats led to death after 2 weeks. Fatal familial insomnia is a rare genetic disease causing insomnia, dementia, and death. Sleep is vital to health and well being. Contact our specialist for a natural solution to sleep related health issues.